5 years ago, there was hardly any. So the growth of email marketing in India has been rapid, to say the least. Indian marketers are warming up to email marketing very rapidly. Percentage-wise, there have been really no numbers that have been shared with the industry. And I would request industry bodies like IMAI to conduct such kind of surveys and studies which can give us an idea of the growth of the sector. But as companies are growing, I know for a fact that we're growing more than 40% on a CAGR basis year on year. So that's compounded annual growth rate of 40%. And I'm sure our competitors are also seeing that kind of growth. So spam has always been a challenge, and it will continue to be a challenge, which means trying to get the relevant message out there to their subscribers is the biggest challenge they're facing now, and this challenge will continue to be faced even later on. Besides that, the challenges are also on dealing with technology, dealing with different stakeholders like ISPs, like email service providers, who are constantly changing their method of analyzing spam and hence influencing your deliverability. So that also is a challenge that is increasing, and it will continue to be faced by email marketers. Well, first thing first, on an everyday basis, there's a lot of education required. Education required by those people who are sending mails, our clients. So it's an everyday process for us to educate them on how to do things the right way and do things that are above the line, which means they're not treading on spam. That's what we are doing, and I think everybody in the industry is learning on how to deal with this in any case. Even the other service providers like us probably are educating their own clientele on an everyday basis as well. We are also coming together with the IMAI to give recognition to this industry, to give a standing as a good marketing practice and email as a good marketing medium. The IMAI is doing its job to bring together service providers and large-scale email senders. But we have been instrumental with the IMAI to bring our brothers in the industry together on the same platform. That is what we are doing. Besides educating our client on the right side, doing the things right way, doing email marketing the way it's supposed to be done, we're also trying to put in best practices in place along with the other companies in this industry, so that these best practices are not restricted to us and our clients, but a much larger perspective through the IMAI, through events like these. Email marketing was playing a smaller role in larger sessions that were to do with digital marketing as a whole. Email Marketing Summit is a first of its kind event held in India, and this is the first attempt out of many yet to come to give recognition to this domain and to help get all these people who are large-scale email senders, small-scale email senders, basically who use email as a marketing medium, together on the same platform. Technology does not have anything to do with the problems that we are facing right now. Email technology as such has come a long way, it's mature enough. It's the mindset of the people and how to use the technology and the policy that needs to be in place so that subscribers and consumers like you and me are not dealing with unwanted emails, spam on a regular basis. It's more the mindset of the people that needs to change to send out more legitimate and legal email communication. We are a service provider. We have created a software called Juvlon to help with email communication. It's a software is offered as a software as a service. Clients come to us, our clients come to us, utilize our product for communicating to their database, and also get valuable feedback in terms of reports, in terms of analysis on what is happening for their marketing efforts. So if they send out an email, they get to know who's read that email, who's clicked on it, and a whole bunch of other marketing data that comes along with that to make analysis of how their customer base is reacting to their marketing message. That's the software we have. The IMEI and Juvlon have been associated since over a year now. We started with a very basic association where it was a set of people about 100 in number for the very first time more than a year ago. And that was received very well. After that, we've never looked back, which means our association with the IMEI has grown tremendously. This year, in fact, our association with IMEI is very deep. We have gone beyond the realm of being a sponsor to their events. We have collaborated with the IMEI to come together to create newer events and industry leading events. That puts us also as an industry leader, but also lets the IMEI create new properties for dealing with digital marketing. What are we doing with the IMEI at this point of time to bring to this event is a first of its kind, and this event has brought the entire email marketing industry together in one city, in one location. We have very big plans further on. With the help of IMEI, we want to create an industry body that is recognized by the government also. An industry body that enforces best practices of email marketing across all its players. And recognition for all these email marketers who are conducting email marketing in the right manner. And this is exactly what we want to go ahead with the IMEI to build, to get together as an industry body. Every product in the email marketing space caters to similar requirements. They have different technologies, they offer different features, some offer more than the other. Ours offers comparable features with other products in the industry. What really sets us apart is I believe is our customer service, is our response time towards customers' requirements, is our connect with our customers on an individual basis to their requirements. If they're not meeting their deliverability expectations, we need to get deep into this. We examine what is happening, and we give the right kind of feedback or make the right kind of changes so that the customer achieves their requirements.